Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Brave Crypto Wallet. First, let's understand what Brave Wallet is. It's a secure, self-custody crypto wallet built directly into the Brave browser, offering a seamless experience. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and NFTs across Ethereum, Solana, and other EVM-compatible networks. This integration means you can manage your digital assets without needing additional extensions, making it incredibly convenient and efficient for your daily crypto activities. Setting up your Brave wallet is straightforward. You can choose to create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, securing your wallet with a strong, unique password is crucial. Always back up your recovery phrase in a safe, offline location, as it's the only way to restore your funds if you lose access. Once set up, you can easily connect to various decentralized applications and start exploring the Web3 ecosystem. With your Brave wallet, managing your digital assets is simple. You can view all your cryptocurrency balances and NFT collections within a single, intuitive interface. Sending and receiving tokens is easy, often with competitive transaction fees across supported networks. Plus, the built-in swap feature allows you to exchange cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet, saving you time and effort. It's designed for efficiency, putting you in control of your assets. Brave Wallet also offers advanced features for experienced users, such as adding custom RPC networks and integrating with hardware wallets for enhanced security. Always prioritize protecting your assets by enabling two-factor authentication and being wary of phishing attempts. Remember, your recovery phrase is paramount. For more great deals and to stay hydrated on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link and other fantastic offers in the description below. We hope this guide helps you confidently navigate the world of decentralized finance with Brave Wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.